This is the beginning of my day. Me, sleeping in the hallway. Why, you might be wondering? Well, it's nice and cool and it is dark. Unlike my room, where it's super bright, super hot, especially in the summer, it is a huge difference, let me tell you. Good morning, my beautiful glam queens. This is Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. Last time you joined me, I was in Colorado. Join me today for filming day. Woo! Filming and editing day. Hello my beautiful glam queens, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. Okay, I'm done filming. I am going to get ready now to go to Sephora, and we're finally going to get my mom's birthday present. Yes, so I'm already half dressed. I'm going to change my bottoms now. Okay, before I go to the Sephora though, I should probably call them before we start driving around and make sure they have this birthday gift my mom wants. So just to show you what I have to do to be able to see my whole entire outfit. So I have to hold on to this and go like this and then do this. Shoe check and everything, because my mirrors are covered with posters in my room, and in my other room there are no mirrors. It's a pretty old room. Not sure, maybe 1970s, 1980s. It's an old room, so it has no mirrors. It was my parents' room, and then my brother's, and then mine. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got over there. Ooh, it's not mine. This is my mom. She got the way birthday gift. It comes with a leave-in, a shampoo, a body cleanser. Oh. And it looks like a perfume. Melrose Melrose Place. Oh, Melrose Place. That's pretty cool. That was at Sephora, of course. And we got her mascara. She needed a fresh new mascara, so we got her that. Roller Lash Benefit. She's looking, if anyone has any recommendations, she's looking for something with that looks like a almost that looks like a comb. I think that Ilia, is that how you pronounce her name? Ilia, I think their mascara might be pretty good, so I'm going to try to find that for her. But she also likes travel sizes, so I noticed that the brushes, the bristles, were better on the bigger size than the smaller travel size. So hopefully she likes this still. We'll see. And then, what did I get? Woo! The Satin Heatless Curling Set, 1 piece. Kitsch, is that how you say the names? It's the one that goes around your head. We're going to try it. My mom was like, oh my gosh, I have to see that. That was so funny. So we're going to try it on my head. Oh, those. I was showing her all the videos because she did not understand. She's like, does it come with 1 piece, 2 piece? I don't get it. There was one that came with 4 pieces. I kind of wanted to try that one, but it seemed like a lot of work too. So we're just going to try this one first, see how I like it, and then maybe we'll purchase the other one. The other one didn't have a price tag, so I don't know, I just kind of, I was being cheap today. I was like, we'll just get one thing. And then of course I got something from Pink. It's a sports bra, athletic wear. My mom knows I wear them all the time, so it's a pretty cool one. I don't know why, but they have their pink print in the back. Well, not in the back, but in it. Like it's inside it. It's interesting. But I guess, actually, you know what? Oh, it is. It's in the back here, like actual backpack. That's pretty cool. I guess that's fine because I don't really like wearing things with logos anyways. That's fine. It's fine. Okay, and now dinner at my boyfriend's parents' house. Let's go. Ceviche. Good ceviche. It's the best ceviche.
No.
This cat fell in love with my bag. What are you doing on my bag? Sorry everybody, I missed it, but I tried the strawberry and something. I'm not sure what it is.
One of it's called heavy cream.
Heavy cream? Light cream? I'm not sure. Anyways, I tried it. I already don't like strawberry, but I gave it a shot. I gave it a shot, and my face was like, yeah. Terrible. We are leaving the premises, stuffed to the gills. Alright everyone, well that was my day. It was a long one. My eyes are tired, my face is tired, my body's tired. I'm gonna go to sleep now. Yeah. Alright, you guys keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. And yeah, bye.